If you can see, like, my hair is really greasy. Just like to give you a little information, I wash my hair every 7 days, like once a week. I wash my hair, or like maybe every 1 week and a half. And when I say wash, I mean, like, I'm a black girl, so the whole shebang. Wash my weave, wash my real hair, blow dry it, let it completely dry, flat iron, press my hair. I've never had a perm, so my hair is natural. Never had a perm. And this is like day 7 hair. Like, I really need to wash it. I just don't have time. I work 3 jobs, so it's really hard for me to glam up and do like the whole shebang. I have to do little fast things just to save time. So I'm going to show you how I get rid of my greasy hair fastly when I don't have time to wash my hair. First things first, you just get a blow dryer and you blow dry this bitch. I just want to point out that the greasiest parts of my hair is my real hair. And then like the top up here of my weave. So like the top, you can like see it. It's like greasy, so that's like what I'm gonna focus on. So this is Clean Free Refreshing Dry Shampoo. This is the second step. Instant results, absorbs excess oils, leaves no residues, fresh volume. This was $7.49 at my local beauty supply. And I know people just think mostly this is like not for black hair, but it truly does work. Trick that I used to use, like, well, not even I used to use, if I don't have dry shampoo, is baby powder. Works good too. Baby powder is a really good dry shampoo. It looks like now after I sprayed the dry shampoo, and you just want to like brush through it. Just brush through it. You see, it gives your hair like a little bit more life. It's not as greasy. Definitely not as greasy in my real hair. At the top of my leave out. And that is how I take out the excess oils in my hair. Do you guys see the difference? I can see the difference. It's like fluffy again. So this took what, 5 minutes? This is like the quickest way to get the oils out when you're in a rush to do your hair. And this is what I do. This is literally, it saves you so much time. I know, you know, you should wash your hair and get in a routine. I have a routine, but like I said, I work 3 jobs and I'm constantly changing clothes and changing outfits all day. When I do get home, my days start early and they end late. So when I do get home, I'm so freaking tired. I have to like do my self-care and do my hair and you know, all that on a day where I only work one job. So I have the energy to actually do it correctly. So this is just like a quick tip for me that saves me a lot of time. I still have to style my hair, obviously. I just need to show you guys something that works when you don't have a lot of time to do your hair and your hair is greasy and you really need to wash it, but you just don't have the time to. Like, I be trying to multitask, make YouTube videos, get ready for work. That's why I do so many get ready with me, is because I'm always going to work. This is why my hair gets greasy, fucking edge control. Hey guys, this is how you get your hair to be oil free in under 5 minutes. It's really quick, it's really simple. This is the final result, and this is how I fast get ready. Comment down below if you have any other tricks or tips. Let me know your favorite thing to do when you're getting dressed in a hurry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get a conversation going down below. Let me know if you didn't like it, comment below. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!